Who of us does not want to relax in the countryside after a hard-working week? To take a boat and sail to a favorite island on a lake? Oh, but where is the island gone? Where could so much sand disappear? And who could need it? You will be surprised, but this island was made into glass. The current scale of glass use is impressive. Glass is used everywhere and for completely different purposes. We eat from glassware and drink from a glass. Glass enables us to watch our favorite movie on a TV screen, and glass helps to shoot this film. Entire buildings are covered in glass. Even in space above us, there are telescopes staring into the distance with glass eyes. For thousands of years, glass has been opening up new opportunities for man, each time proving its advantage over other materials. So why is it so indispensable? People around the world were impressed by flickering translucent stones of unknown origin. Initially, the main function of glass was decorative. The secret of production and the great rarity of products from a semi-transparent solid substance made it possible to evaluate it more expensively than gold and brought it to the category of imperial whims. Thanks to the invention of the glass blower in the 2nd century BC, glass got a much more wide use in everyday life. Goblets and jugs, candlesticks and candelabras. What did people not make of the sparkling material? The apogee of the glass rush was the appearance of the Bohemian faceted glass. The royal families of all European countries competed in possessing the best set of faceted goblets. Without glass, it is impossible to imagine modern science. Using telescope lenses as far back as the 16th century, Galileo Galilei proved that the Earth revolves around the Sun. And Newton's experiments with a prism laid the foundation for a modern understanding of light and a whole section of physics. Optics, photo and video cameras, binoculars and spyglasses, telescopes and microscopes. We use all of them thanks to glass. It is not only physics, but also chemistry, biology, medicine that use another wonderful property of glass: inertness. Inertness is the ability not to react with other materials and elements. Pharmacists around the world help people get rid of deadly ailments, choosing the right one from thousands of glass jars with different medicines. And now, try to imagine a chemical or biological laboratory without flasks, tubes, and Petri dishes. It is impossible because behind each great discovery, there are numerous tests and experiments with glass implements. Any liquid, wine, or water is valued higher if it is stored in a glass container. And for some products, it is a must. As a consequence, large industrial plants produce hundreds of millions of bottles every day. The basis for the creation of glass products is sand, lime, and soda. In the oven, this mixture melts at a temperature of 1580 degrees Celsius. The hot drop falls into the mold where the bottle is blown. Workers check the product for inclusions of various kinds, defects, and periodically lubricate the molds of the machine. In the annealing furnace, red-hot glass bottles are gradually cooled. The temperature of output is not higher than 80 degrees. After that, the surface of the bottles is treated to protect them from scratches. Then, the products are checked for defects with optical, mechanical, electrical methods, and laser. Again, man is the last stage of control before packaging the goods. The production of glass undoubtedly opened wide opportunities for mankind, looking at distant stars, carrying a multifunctional telephone in a pocket, drinking from an exquisite glass. Such usual things have the reverse side of the coin. The main component in the creation of glass is sand. Special white sand is used for industrial production, and it's easiest to get it from the bottom of rivers and lakes. Every year, Mankind needs about 40 billion tons of sand solely for the production of glass. Sand is a finite material. Sooner or later, it will end. Even today, we wipe whole islands off the face of the earth in pursuit of creating more and more glassware for our own comfort. Another important problem is recycling. Glass takes over 1,000 years to completely decompose into crumbs. Just imagine, every year man buries more glass into the ground than 2 pyramids of Cheops would contain. Such a scale makes the problem of glass waste extremely urgent. How can we help the planet cope with the glass crisis? The simplest and most affordable way to date is sorting. Many countries in the world have already embarked on this path and encourage their citizens to sort their rubbish. The sorted glass only needs melting. It is less energy consuming and more profitable in terms of harmful emissions. In addition, glass is a 100% recyclable material. Once upon a time, pirates sent messages in glass bottles. Crossing the oceans, the message came intact to an unknown addressee. Today, we must do something similar. Send a message to the distant future in the form of the clean planet. And the one to receive the message will be immensely grateful to us.